time hath come. Oh my god. Okay, welcome to I think this is day 2 of Vlogmas, or what I'm calling it, LYSSMAS. So Casey is actually at work, so I'm gonna try and surprise him with a little bit of some Christmas decor before he gets home. Christmas is his favorite time of year, so I figured I would take all of my like fall decor down and Christmas this bitch up. Ghost's trying to play with me over here. Yeah, it's highs. Come on, go get it. So I pulled out all of our Christmas decorations. This is our tree. And then we have like all of our Christmas stuff in there. So I'm going to take all of our fall stuff down and throw up the Christmas stuff. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I think the first thing I need to do is take all of this stuff down and decorate the fireplace mantle, because I'm gonna move this wicker basket, and probably I think I'm gonna need to move Edith to that side again or something, because our Christmas tree is gonna go, I'm pretty sure, in this corner. So I'm gonna need to move this chair as well. Basically I need to move this whole corner, and then I need to decorate this first so I can put our Christmas tree up. And that will be our first plan of attack. Let's see how this goes. Throwing on a little Christmas music too to get us in the mood. Golden Santa is Casey's favorite. Switch out my little fall candle holder for my little makeshift DIY Christmas one. Okay. Totally like dropped. Oh my god, please don't do it again. Oh my god. Anyways, I had totally dropped this on the floor like an idiot, and it like cracked in half. So I tied a nice little bow on it and hopefully that makes it look less broken. Oh, I'm so sad. I got this like from Target forever ago. And it's the cutest thing, and I don't think they have it anymore, so yeah, that's fun. Love that for me. Now I get to hang stuff. keep breaking everything. I think it's time for a holiday drink. It's about that time. It's almost 5 o'clock and I've already broke 2 of my decorations. I'm sweating. I've done this for 2 hours already and I'm already irritated. So, time to drink. This is what happens when you put me in charge by myself to put decorations up, and I'm trying to hurry up and do this before Casey gets home. Okay, ice, a little bit of whiskey, a little bit of Kahlua, a little bit of, or a lot of it of, eggnog liqueur. A little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of some peppermint cocoa creamer. Ooh, that's good. Ready to get chocolate wasted. This is what happens. Don't leave me alone, kids. Back to putting this tree up. Way longer than what it needed to be, and I broke way too many decorations. I have some left over, so I'm probably gonna decorate my office with those and make like a little cute Christmassy filming space. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I still have my drink. Casey is gonna be home soon, so I'm gonna try and get his reaction to all this. Hopefully he appreciates it, because this took way too long for me to do. So stay tuned for that.
No! It's Christmas!
Okay, well, he was thoroughly surprised. So, good job us. Alright, I'm gonna end off this vlog because I need to go eat, and I think it's time to open a bottle of wine and maybe watch a Christmas movie now that I have this guy up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, 1, what are you doing? But 2, my Instagram handle is @holisticliss, so go follow me there. I post even more daily content, and I will see you guys back tomorrow for the next vlog, so stay tuned. Bye.